In this Annapolis Sailing School KeelBoat Club video, you will see several boats making different choices at a windward mark rounding.
Paying attention to the boat that was circled at the start of the video, you'll see how its approach to the windward mark isn't going to make it on the line that it is, and that boat should have tacked away to tack back around. Instead, the white boat has become tangled with the mark and is going very slow. The four boats coming up behind it needed to begin to recognize the developing problem and make decisions about how they were going to approach the windward mark differently, possibly slowing down and or going wider to give them more space to avoid the problems.
As the video unfolds, you'll see that Silver just sails directly into the problem, then has to go out and around White and sails a much further distance than if Silver had slowed down, allowed White to pass, and cut in behind her. Similarly, dark green goes all the way out and around, but pink and orange to do a tighter rounding and come out ahead of both white and dark green, despite entering the windward mark much, much further behind.